Hey everybody, we're we're live. You caught me singing. And today is welcome. This is a mess. This is a complete mess. Let's start over, shall we? Welcome, gentlemen, to the Bitcoin market update. Today is Friday, January 4th, 2019. Let's dive into it, shall we? Oh boy, real quick. The proof of keys. How'd that work out for you guys? Did we, I don't know, what was his name? Bitcoin Ben was crying and carrying on about him being head of a revolution, and Big Swear carrying on about this and that and the other thing about how they were going to bring these guys down. Nothing happened. Nothing absolutely happened. I mean, come on. They just put a little bit of delay on everybody's withdrawals. They usually do that, willy-nilly whenever they want to anyway. Still had access to all my accounts. Nothing funny happened. They did some maintenance upgrades. I get that. That's kind of normal stuff. Hey, you know what? It is what it is. Sorry, I didn't see anything happen. Hey, fellas, the 8 guys that did withdrawals didn't really matter. So, sorry about the revolution not happening. But thank goodness, though. Honestly, thank goodness. I'm glad nothing happened. Because if it did, we'd be looking at some awful Mount Gox kind of stuff happening right now. And prices would be absolutely plummeting. So on the plus side, we've got BTC USD on the one-day Coinbase. Let's check it out. Beautiful, beautiful. You see what? Yesterday I called Bitcoin's bluff. I said it's going down. And you know what? I'm sticking to that now. I'm sticking to it. This thing is coming down. Every time I say that, maybe it'll do the opposite. Check it. There you go. There it is. Look how close it is. I mean, on the one-day chart, it is just right there. And it's just shied away. That's real sad. I want to see a breakout to the upside. Let's look at other times. See that? Oh, yeah, we're going bullish. Everyone was all excited. Boom, drop the hammer. Hey, look, we're going bullish. Boom, drop the hammer. We're going bullish today. Drop the hammer. This is all this bear market does. These bears are messing with you guys and your bull notions. I hope that this is a bottom. Trust me, I'd love to see it be a bottom, but I'm believing in these bears right now. They are strong. Ooh, those bears are strong. Let's check out the indicators. Indicators are looking good. We're ready to strike. Look at this. We got a golden cross right here. We've got tons of money flow coming in. We're about to swing up to the upside. We're about to cross the 50-day. This is looking good. Everything is there. Everything is there to go to the 200-day moving average. I'm not kidding. It's all there. It's all there. There's nothing stopping us except the bears. I'm telling you, this is a beautiful chart. This is gorgeous. This is what you want to see. All of this. I'm calling Bitcoin's bluff. I think it's coming down. Yep. And even if it peaks up, it might touch that, bottom of the Kumo cloud and then come right back down. How about this? Here, I'll give you the benefit of the doubt. There you go. Go for it. Wreck 'em. I'm feeling feisty today. Yeah. Proof of keys. What a ridiculousness. Just a lot of chest pounding, saying, look at us, we're revolutionaries, we're changing the world. You're not changing the world. You didn't invent Bitcoin. Ridiculous. All you guys did was go to a couple of meetups and get drunk with people. That's fine. Hey, there's nothing wrong with that. It just goes to show that this space has very few good ideas, and when an even mediocre idea comes along, people just jump on it, boom, dog pile, because it's refreshing that someone's just not reading the news or reading some half-assed chart guy reading charts. I got to rip on myself there. I have to. Well, I mean, come on, who else is gonna rip on me? There's no one listening. I'm just teasing. Okay, so XRP, BTC. Ooh, real bearish. Here's the thing though. We just had this beautiful V formation on the uptick with money flow. Money flow's coming in. I need a golden cross here, and I need an uptick in volume because volume is simply not there right now. We might get it on the next candle, who knows, but this one's brand new. This one just popped in about 2 hours ago, so that's okay. Now remember, this Ripple Bitcoin 1-day chart on Binance, we're trading it against the 50-day moving average. That's what this red line is, not the 9-day. The 9-day we can trade against a little bit, but this is our trend. I love this one. This is so great. This one gets too choppy. If you're good, you can scalp them and buy back, but just stick with the trend. You'll be fine. You'll be fine. But right now, we're just hugging that line, and I like where we're at right now. Let's look at the indicators. XRP does not look good compared to what we just saw of Bitcoin, and I'll show you. We've got real weak volume. We've got a RSI that hasn't golden crossed yet. This is looking good, but we're below the 9-day. It's just real not good at all. XRP USDC on Binance, it's right on the cusp there. Still bearish. But I love what we got here. We got a little bit of money flow rolling in, and that is beautiful. RSI needs a golden cross. It's not there yet. We death crossed a little while back. And we're getting an uptick in volume. Lovely. Like that. LTC USD on the 1-day chart for Coinbase. Boom. Litecoin's looking good. I like this chart. It's just as good as Bitcoin. These are really good looking charts right here. Absolutely. This is a dream chart. Ready to explode to the upside. But wait for it. I've seen some stuff like this before. Yeah. Seen some real golden goodies. And it turned out awful. Yeah, seen it before, back there a little bit, so hold on to it. This is a buy though, absolutely. Stay in it. LTC, BTC, still a buy, very strong. Ethereum, ETHUSD, probably leading the pack, almost with a double top there. Is it going to stay a double top? Are we only going to get a double top out of this? And I'll tell you what, look at this. This is concerning. Oh boy, that's grounds for a death cross right there. A few more cells and we're in death cross territory, and that means going down? I hope not. Ethereum was still a buy. ZRX. ZRX is still a buy, barely, but it's still there. Basic attention token, I need to see it close tomorrow. I mean, this is a gorgeous chart, but I need to see it what it does tomorrow. You're welcome to jump the gun ahead of time. I'm not putting the buy order in yet, or buy signal in yet. I'm going to wait until tomorrow to see if this thing can actually open and close above the 9. Moving on to ETC. Let's kick this one out of here. Ethereum Classic, still a buy, still running up. Let's see here. We've got Yeah, this is definitely a buy. How about Zetcoin? ZEC, USDC on Coinbase. Still a buy. Yeah, looking good. It's really had a lot of chop here through this, but I like this indicator. Oh, actually, I don't like this one. This is a death cross. Oopsie. Hopefully it can pull it out, but we've got real good money flow and volume is pretty good. So hang on to it. Digi buy it. Okay, Digi, you're you. Um, hmm. Did we? Okay. Digibyte is straddling the fence here. I don't like this fence straddling stuff, and we haven't even gone bullish above the 50-day. I'm going to say no to this just yet. I'm going to give it another day because this is just flat volume. We've got a gold. We're running up here on RSI, which is great. But with all this movement, I thought we'd be really moving by now. It just isn't. Digibyte is looking for every excuse to turn around and dump. We're about to get a golden cross here, which is great, and we got a little bit of an uptick in money flow, but it's not there yet. Tron, ooh doggy, look at Tron. Tron leading the pack here. Yeah, we've got a beautiful volume, RSI golden cross from back here. It's about to cross the 50. We're going to get a little boost. We're looking good here. Money flow is gorgeous. Hang on to your Tron. This is looking real nice. So I'm just looking at something here. Tron went above. It went above the 9-day, came back down, and we got a retest of our 9-day. That's perfect. But then it's kind of like it did another test of that 50-day just to kind of double check because it crossed up above the 50 at the same time. Then it came back down, retested the 50-day, and started its march upward. Everything is looking good. Now we've blasted off past the 200-day moving average, but this is my concern. At some point, I think we're going to need to backtest this 200-day. I could be wrong. I think maybe it just wants to, follow the 9-day and backtest that one, but I kind of thought we'd at least get some sort of a touch there, but maybe not. I could be wrong. But it's going good. Now, one thing's for certain. I'm glad that it's continuing its march up, but I was kind of surprised that we never got a back test down here to these levels right here. Let me show you. Boom. Okay. Or at least like to that level or this level or maybe to here, right? There's a little gap here, and I'm a little nervous about that. Like we might revisit that at some point. Yeah, I'm not sure though. I mean, it could just keep going, but it does kind of have me a little worried. Absolutely. I don't see a top here really yet, especially when I look at indicators. Everything looks really good. So hold on to your Tron. It looks good to me. Theta's looking good. Wow. All right. I know we've had a 2-day pullback. Well, a day and a couple hours. But everything here is looking great. So hold on to it. We're still in it. I love this ramp up of volume. This is real good. Stay in it. Proppy. P-R-O. What is going on here? Oh, yeah. Okay, so, yeah, didn't we put this as a sell yesterday? I think we did. I don't know why this didn't show up. So that was yesterday's. Was that this one? I think it was that one. Yeah, I'm going to refresh this. I think we're going to keep that there. I think that's what it was. So, Yeah, too bad about Proppy right now. It's definitely living below the 9-day moving average. I would stay out of it. Here's Populous PPT. We have a golden cross, a death cross. Nothing yet, nothing yet, nothing yet. Okay, so and we're below the 9-day. So Populous is just dying. You know what? Populous, you gotta fix this, man. I love this though. This is really good. And you know what? We're right where we. Boy, this is a tough one. You know what? I'm holding on to Populous again one more time. I'm gonna hold on to it for one more day. Yeah, because I don't think we're gonna get much more sell off, and I think that if we hold on to it, we could actually go above the 9-day. This is a hopeful move. Um, the safe bet is to get out, but I'm gonna keep it in as a buy. I'm not gonna dump it. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna see. I like this green candle here that we're starting out with. I don't like this, but it could change. A lot of that could change. This is gorgeous, but this is not so good so far. So, but I'm holding on. OMG. Boom, baby. Yeah. what what is this? Okay, let's check this out. We're going to get out the big guns. Okay, went above it. We got a full open and close. I'm in. Okay, so let's pull this one out. Today is the day. Hold on to it. Yeah, it's looking good. I like this. Of course, if you get into it, set those stops. Set those stops real nice and close. I don't know why. Is OMG, did we already call that as a buy? I kind of think we would have yesterday, but I didn't leave it on here. I'm going to have to go back and check the tape, and then I can move it back if I need to. But it's no big deal. We know we're in. HMQ, Human IQ. Okay, guys. Some sketchiness happening here. First of all, we're above the 9-day moving average. We got some nice volume coming in finally. We're above, but heading towards the death cross, and coming down on volume. This is a mess. I say stay out of it. It's got to prove itself. I mean, just because you got volume doesn't mean all this other stuff is good. I'm going to wait. XLM. There it is. Keep going down, you. That's right. I'm going to move this, you see what I'm saying? I'm going to move this thing out of here. We don't need to know that. We do know that this thing eventually is going to pop to the upside. We're going to leave that there. Yeah. Just hold on to it. It got close there, didn't it? Right there. I'm going to zoom in and we'll take a look. Nope, didn't get close enough. Still got some gappage. So we'll wait. Okay. Money flows coming in. I'd love to see this turn up and these two come in to play, but it's not there yet. Excuse me, Stellar is not there yet. ADA. Cardano, you're doing so good. You just keep on going there. This is great, right? This is really good. I love the retest, the back test right there that it did. It's very clean, very clean. And now it's just slow march up. That's totally fine. Yeah, ADA, hold on to it. Tezos got some good volume. And money flows coming in. We got a golden cross, but it is not moving the price. What is going on? You know, volume must have been so low. I mean, look at that. Volume? Was that in the negative? What? Oh boy. Oh boy, oh boy. This might be a dandy of a time to get in. I'm going to have to look at some other charts, but I don't know if I've ever seen it that bad. What? Tezos is in the negative? Oh boy. I don't know why I never saw that before. That's so bad. There's your zero line way up here. What? Oh no, no, no. What? No, no, no. Aeon. Oh, Aeon's down underneath there too. Okay. Well, we're in some massive selling territory, I'll tell you what. So, Tezos, sorry, here it is. Yeah, it's not a buy yet. Hold on, hold on. Don't you buy it yet. Yeah, it's not there yet, guys. Oh, it's so close. Everything looks good, right? Yeah, you could get in it if you want to, but set those stops, right? I don't know if I should put a buy in yet, though. Darn it, everything looks good. This might be a little premature, but I don't care. We're gonna do it. I think I think I think it's been beat down so badly that and I'm hoping that this has the fight to get above that. So we'll see. Let's change it over. Yeah. I'm gonna have to make a note of that. I'm gonna have to get in there and get some. All right. QLC, BTC, still a buy. Still a buy. Yeah, hold on to it. Just sideways action. It did nothing today. That's discouraging. Um, yeah, it needs a little golden cross here and some lift. Also needs a little more volume coming in, but that's fine. There are some days that are like that. You just trade sideways, nothing there. Nothing to see here, people. Aeon. No, don't get it. There's no volume. Yeah, Bitcoin Cash SV. Keep going. You got to go down further. Sorry, guys. You got to touch that line. Then you can go up. Bitcoin Cash SV. We will keep that a sell. Dogecoin. Still a sell. A lot of sideways action today. EOS. How about that on EOS? Let's see. Still a buy. Boy, it's just creeping though, isn't it? It just like rolled over that 50-day moving average. It's so lethargic. And then we got a death cross. Oh, this is a mess. Come on, guys. Let's get moving here. You know what this whole market's doing? It's waiting on Bitcoin. What's it going to do? Go bear? Go bull? Who knows? Yeah, this market's primed. It's set. The powder is ready. We got a little sparkler. We're ready to ignite this thing. Still a buy here. Ambrosis, thank you, whoever gave me that coin. my 7 cents is 7.5 cents now. Yeah, baby. The Aaron story from pennies to nickels. How I did it. Oh boy. Well, let me get you back here to Bitcoin. Yep. You know what? This thing might just shoot off real fast, touch that bottom of the Kumo cloud, and just dump, right? And everyone will be like, yeah, 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 y'all. Just like it always does. That's okay. It's all right. Yeah, if it even has the courage to go over that 50-day, I don't know about that. We'll see. We'll see. I'm calling you out, Bitcoin. Let's see it. Let's see it. Do it. Go higher. All right, guys. Hope you guys have a blessed evening. Remember, keep those cryptos offline, off the exchanges, unless you're trading. Don't leave a majority of them out there. I think proof of keys is a great idea, like in theory, but to believe that you are some sort of revolutionary or, movement is delusional. Okay. It's just good habits. Okay. It's just a good habit to, only leave on the exchange what you're actually trading. All right. Best of luck to you guys. God bless. Talk to you soon. I'm out of here. Peace.